Hello, this is Julia.
And this is Robert. We're in the office today working on the solar Victron setup. And as you can see, we've got pieces and parts everywhere. We're being very methodical. So when you last left, I had a little sample here. I had the battery disconnect, and now we did the grounds. They're not actually hooked up to the battery down here yet. That's the last step. But we went through this morning. We hooked up the mega fuse and the positive and negative over here to the Victron Multiplus. And this is our VE bus communication cable that comes over to the servo. And then we got the VE can that's coming over here to the shunt. We kind of covered that a little bit. The goal today is to try and get the smart charger hooked up on here. And we're not going to worry about the 12-volt distribution or the 120 distribution over here. We just want to get things hooked up so that we can actually power this up. But I may have to wait because we do have a 120 coming in and a 120 going out. And that's got to go somewhere, which would be a distribution panel, which is down there. So I'm going to have to look at that. I think it's actually plastic all the way around, so we could probably get away with just laying it down. Oh, no, there's a bus bar on the back. That's for the 12 volt. The 120 is on the inside. This one's kind of nice because it's 12 volt on one side and 120 on the other, and all the bus bars are in here. So technically we could run that in here. And it even has a 110 outlet on the back, so that if you needed to plug in a converter later, which we're not.
This is the 12 volt.
This is the ground for the 12 volt. Because you have...
It's on the back of here.
Yes. Yes, but this is just a bus bar.
Mm-hmm.
This has nothing to do with
but
this
it's
piece.
on this side.
Yeah. So we'll have to look at that.